Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix Twitter X account suspended. Firstly, check for on-screen instructions before submitting an appeal. Log into your account via a web browser or the mobile app. Secondly, file an appeal. What do you need to do is firstly you need to ensure you are logged in to your suspended account. Secondly, open a new browser tab and navigate to the official X Apple form. Thirdly, select log and suspended account from the option. Fourthly, fill in your details, username, email and phone number exactly as they are on the account. Fifth, in the descriptions box, remain factual and specific. Thirdly, what to do after appealing. Wait for a human reviewer. It generally takes 24 to 48 hours for human reviewers to look at first offense appeals. Next, watch your email. Check the email address associated with your account for a response or follow-up instructions from X support. If you still have any questions, comment down below.